Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to delete a Whop account. In order to do this, you'll need to have access to your Whop account in the first place. So right now we're in our Whop dashboard, and on the left side panel at the bottom you can see profile. Click on it, and then when you click on it, it's going to provide you with your profile details. But on the second left side panel for account settings, you can see logout here, but you'll need to click on the danger zone. They call it the danger zone because you're going to be leaving. So when you click on the danger zone, you have the option to sign out or delete account. If you want to do it, you can go ahead and click on delete account, and then you'll need to make sure that you really want to do this. So in order to delete it, it says to type delete to confirm. Do make sure not to get confused by typing in the backward slash or any other thing. So you just need to type in delete, and there you have the delete account button activated and ready to be clicked. So this is how to go ahead and delete your Whop account.